Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Anthony Lug. Sygnus Real Estate Finance is reporting a strong growth in profit and revenues for the financial year ending November. This comes as the company is in the process of getting its footprints in at least 5 other Caribbean territories.
For the financial year, SRF would have generated an increase in net profit of 49% to 315.08 million. Total investment income would have increased by 9.6% to 839.24 million. Net investment income up 62.7% to 508.5 million.
According to Chief Investment Officer of the company, Jason Morris, the main driver is the hard asset on SRS balance sheet, which is a joint venture primarily represented by One Belmont. Speaking at the annual general meeting for the company, Mr. Morris also gave an update on how the company is seeking to diversify its offerings.
3 things that we're doing. 1, we're executing on Lake Spend, which is 55 acres. It's an industrial property, it's huge, it's massive opportunity. I don't need to say any more than that. When we have additional information, we'll share it. That's 1. 2, Mammy Bay, 14 acres, beachfront. We continue to execute on that. And 3rd, we have a series of third-party real estate investment notes and third-party real estate projects that we are executing and are at various stages of execution.
Access Financial Services, AFS, has announced that it has fully restored its systems and resumed normal operations following a cybersecurity incident on Thursday, February 27. In a statement, the company confirmed that an unauthorized access was detected on its network, potentially exposing personal data. However, while cybersecurity experts could not confirm whether any data was stolen or exfiltrated, they verified that external actors gained access to sensitive information. AFS assured customers that it's closely monitoring the situation and will provide updates as the investigation continues. The company also reaffirmed its commitment to strengthening security measures to prevent future breaches. Banks and Cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $157.63. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $109.82. The Canadian dollar is going for $202.96, while the euro is selling for an average $170.31. Now, the JSE index advanced by 3,848 points, while the junior market index also advanced by 9 points. The winners included Edufocal, Indies Pharma, MFS Capital Partners, General Accident, and Nutsford Express. The losers were led by Tropical Battery, AMG Packaging and Paper, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, R.A. Williams Distributors, and Trans-Jamaican Highway US dollar shares, 28 stocks traded firm. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Anthony Lug. News from overseas and the bite of the week after the break.